When it comes to creating restaurant-quality dishes at home, this made-in-enameled cast-iron skillet is a game-changer. With its flawless craftsmanship, exceptional heat retention, and professional-grade performance, this skillet is designed to make cooking easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. Made in France with a rich heritage of cast-iron expertise, the made-in-enameled cast-iron skillet is the ideal addition to any kitchen, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. But what makes this skillet truly stand out? Let's dive into why this piece of cookware is worth every penny. Why you need the made-in-enameled cast-iron skillet? Number 1. Exceptional heat retention for perfect cooking every time. The key to great cooking is heat, and the made-in-enameled cast-iron skillet delivers heat like no other. With its thick cast-iron construction, this skillet retains heat exceptionally well and distributes it evenly across the cooking surface. Whether you're searing a steak, frying chicken, or grilling vegetables, you can expect consistent results and an even golden brown crust. Perfect for high-heat cooking, the dark surface of the skillet is optimized for intense heat, which is ideal for searing and frying. No more hot spots. Cast iron is renowned for its ability to distribute heat evenly, ensuring that every part of your dish is cooked uniformly. Number 2. Non-stick enamel coating for easy cleanup. One of the most notable features of the made-in-enameled cast-iron skillet is its non-stick enamel coating. Unlike traditional cast iron, which requires seasoning and regular maintenance, this skillet offers the convenience of a non-stick surface straight out of the box. The enamel coating prevents food from sticking, making cooking and cleaning a hassle-free experience. Effortless cleaning. After cooking, simply wash with warm soapy water and a sponge to remove food remnants. No seasoning required. Say goodbye to the time-consuming process of seasoning and maintaining your skillet. Number 3. Built to last. Professional craftsmanship. The made-in-enameled cast-iron skillet is crafted with decades of expertise in mind. Made in France, this skillet adheres to long-standing traditions of cast-iron craftsmanship, resulting in an heirloom-quality product designed for durability and performance. The skillet is built to last, ensuring that you'll have a reliable cooking tool for years to come. Durable design. The enamel coating not only provides a non-stick surface, but also helps protect the cast iron from rust and wear. Generational quality. With proper care, this skillet can be passed down for generations, making it a sustainable and timeless investment. Number 4. Unmatched versatility for all cooking needs. The made-in-enameled cast-iron skillet is a versatile powerhouse. Whether you're cooking a simple weekday meal or preparing a holiday feast, this skillet can handle it all. Its large cooking surface and ergonomic design make it perfect for everything from browning meats to simmering sauces. You can also use it on any heat source, including induction cooktops, stovetops, ovens, and even grills. Fry, sear, sauté, and simmer. Whether you're searing large cuts of meat or making delicate sauces, this skillet delivers precise heat control and flawless results. Number 5. Timeless aesthetics with practical functionality. Not only is the made-in-enameled cast-iron skillet a functional piece of cookware, but it also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Its vibrant blue color and polished enamel finish make it visually appealing, allowing you to take your skillet directly from the stove to the table for serving. The design is both modern and classic, with a sturdy handle for easy maneuvering. Key features of the made-in-enameled cast-iron skillet. Enameled cast-iron construction. Perfectly seasoned, non-stick enamel for an effortless cooking experience. Exceptional heat retention, perfect for searing, grilling, and high-heat frying. Versatile, works on all heat sources, including induction, stovetop, oven, and grill. Generational quality, crafted in France with professional-grade materials and built to last. Large cooking surface, 11.5-inch diameter cooking area for preparing meals for 2 to 4 people. Who should buy the made-in-enameled cast-iron skillet? Home cooks, ideal for anyone looking for an easy-to-use skillet that offers professional results in the kitchen. Chefs and culinary enthusiasts, if you love cooking with high-quality cookware that's versatile and built to last, this skillet is for you. Induction cooktop users, the skillet's induction compatibility ensures it can be used with a variety of cooking setups. Gift givers, this skillet makes a thoughtful and practical gift for anyone who enjoys cooking, whether they're a beginner or a seasoned chef. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.